Friends, I am coming with question number 25 of Pathfinder and Newton laws of motion. What is the wording of this question? The question is saying that a block rests on a plank that is moving with a constant velocity 2.0 meter per second on a horizontal floor. Coefficient of friction between the block and the plank is 0.10. If the plank start deaccelerating uniformly and stops in 0.50 second, what is the distance slide by the block on the plank? Acceleration of free fall is 10 meter per second. So please follow my wording. What is the question is saying that first of all, this line is given if the plank start deaccelerating uniformly and stops in 0.50 second. So we can very easily knows the initial velocity is 2 meter per second. Initial velocity is 2 meter per second. Final is 0 and time is 0.50 seconds. So with the help of this, we can very easily calculate the acceleration. It is the velocity upon time, that is comes 4 meter per second square. Now look at the free body diagram of this block. So if I want to draw the free body diagram of the block with respect to plank, so first of all, what is happening? Plank is deaccelerating. Plank is experience a deacceleration with an acceleration a. So if we want to draw the free body diagram of this block with respect to plank, then we apply the pseudo force in this direction. So pseudo force is equal to ma, and one, because it is sliding, so one friction force is acting in this direction. So because of this reason, it is accelerating a prime, and a prime is the acceleration of block with respect to plank. So now we can write the equation of motion. One force is acting ma and opposite direction force is mu k mg. So that is called mu k mg. So we can write ma minus mu k mg is equal to ma prime. And finally m cancel. A I already calculated 4. So 4 mu k in this question it is given 0.10. So I want to put 0.1 into 10. So answer will come 3 meter per second square. So actually the block is accelerating 3 meter per second square with respect to plank. So now how much distance covered by the block in t equal to 0.5 second? So simply use the second equation of motion because block is start from rest. So we can say that, or you can say that relative to plank the block is at rest. So I am writing here the distance covered by the block in time 0.5 second with respect to plank. So s is equal to half of a prime into t square. Value is s1. S1 is equal to u plank versus block. So S1 is equal to u plank versus block minus half plus half of a prime into t square. So my dear friend, u initial speed of the block with respect to plank is 0. Because both are moving with same direction and same speed. So now we can simply calculate, put the value, and you can see that it is 0.375. Now what is the speed of the block in this time? Because acceleration of the block is different with respect to plank. So we can use simple equation v is equal to a prime t. So now it is comes 3 by 2 or 1.5 meter per second. Now we knows very well after t equal to 0.5 second plank stops, then block experience only friction force, which is equal to a equal to mu kg or mu g. So we can write the mu k is given 0.1 into g is 10. So answer will come 1 meter per second square. So distance covered by the block is what? So s is equal to final velocity after t equal to 0.5 second, that is called 1.5 meter per second. So v square by twice a1. If you put, you can get the answer. Now finally, how much total distance covered by the block? So it is s1 plus s2. So 0.375 plus 1.25. 1.125. So the correct answer will come. It is st is equal to 1.5 meter. So we can say that from this question, the how much total distance is covering 1.5 meter. And be remember the concept is acceleration of the block with respect to plank is different. Understood? Thank you so much for watching this video.